Introducing ATrack plug-and-play series. ATrack plug-and-play devices are easy to use and can help the users to save on the labor costs and time from installation. ATrack has 6 different plug-and-play models: X11, X9, X7P, AP3, NT3, and AP1. X11 is an OBD2 J1939 1708 multi-protocol 4G LTE Cat1 and Cat-M1 plug-in device that is suitable for all types of vehicles. Other than the capability with engine diagnostics, X11 also has a lot of additional features such as sensor monitoring, harsh driving behavior monitoring, configurable built-in buzzer for audible driver alert, such as overspeeding, excessive idling, and harsh braking. X9 is FCC PDC-RB and AT&T certified, and is suitable for light, medium, and heavy-duty trucks with dual OBD2 and J1939 capability. It conforms to the ELD mandate requirements for vehicle interface hardware. X9 is also a product nominated in T Automotive Awards as the best aftermarket telematics product. X7P is our mainstream 2G, 3G plug-and-play device. Similar to X9, it supports both OBD2 and J1939 protocols for light and heavy-duty vehicle market. It also has optional built-in Bluetooth module that can wirelessly transmit parameters to mobile devices. AP3, NT3, and AP1 can be powered via SIGA port in nearly all types of vehicles. Offering simple plug-and-play installation, ATrack SIGA LiDAR device provide real-time location tracking with inbuilt G sensors for driving behavior monitoring. AP3 and NT3 support 4G LTE connectivity and are both specifically designed for Japanese market, while AP3 is SoftBank certified. NT3 is NTT Docomo certified. AP1 equips with 2G, 3G cellular technology and supports global band. No more time-consuming installation with more features to discover. ATrack plug-and-play devices are your best choice.